friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful Pinecone scratch ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So viewers, my first idea is frames. Viewers, a handmade Pinecone vases look beautiful on your front door. Arrange large and small Pinecone on round vase beds. Add green leaves, small flower ribbon and berries to complete the design. This simple decoration features a warm welcome for every guest. Next is a Pinecone centerpiece. Pinecone place serve Pinecone on a wooden tray with candles, dry flowers, small branches. This nature arrangement becomes a beautiful centerpiece for your dining table or coffee table. It is perfect for family dinners and day celebration and friends. My next idea is viewers. Friends, paint the tips of the Pinecones in bright color like red, pink, yellow, purple, and a wooden stem and green leaves. Soon your Pinecones will look like a blooming flower arranged of flowers in a vase for a lovely handmade bucket. And viewers, another idea is friends. Friends, Pincones around a glass can hold a large and add small pieces of moss, tiny branches, or dry flowers. Their soft candlelight create a warm and peaceful atmosphere. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, I will see you in the next video. Take care.